Hello everyone, Nikki here, and I'm going to be starting another video of Subway Surfers. I done Minecraft story mode, I just uploaded it. It's uploading right now, but this video is like right after, 1 minute after. So I'm probably gonna, if you're watching this quicker, same day, January, you're gonna notice my episode number part 1 live ago. Like January, Tuesday. And yeah. I've done some progress. I got this girl. Dead. PC. I have got stuff. If you want me to do that, suggest that in the comment below. And I can choose if I want Jake or Tristan. And I'm going to be saving up for this robot guy. I had it last, but I lost the progress. I want this costume. It's your choice if you want this costume or the red one for Tagbot. But for now, we don't want that. So let's get into the game. Let's start. I don't know if you can run across it, there's massive gaps in between. Gosh. If you want to tell me stuff that I don't already know and I'm doing wrong, just tell me, because if you want to tell me any like little tips, maybe send me something. Also appreciate it. This might be maybe, but the first episode in like episode 1, because it doesn't have much action and it'll probably get boring if I go up to the top of 15 minutes, so I'll probably do up to maybe 8 or 9 minutes, because it'll probably get too boring afterwards. I highly recommend you download this game if you haven't already, because it's a really fun game. Nearly half the world's playing it, and you can get good finger like be good with your fingers quick movements, because when you are there longer it goes quicker and you keep on moving, and if you do really good it's really good for you. So I highly recommend it if you haven't already done it, because this is one of my favourite games and that's for free. Sliver is obviously good. I might be playing that in a few days time, but for now we're sticking to Minecraft mode and Subway Surfers. We might put some hard time in, some hardcore. Will be really good. I practice it a bit, so I really get the game hard time. You can recommend if you do want to see hard time, if you'd rather have school days than hard time. Basically, if you don't know what that is, hard time is basically a prison game for free, 2D version, and school days is basically, you can hear what is school days basically. Yeah. If you haven't seen Minecraft Story Mode part 1 episode, there's 2 episodes, but I've done 2 because YouTube had a error problem with my Wi-Fi, so go on the one that was recently made, when it says 9th of January, watch that one, not the one that says you're gonna watch it now. Don't click the one that says 2 months ago. Click the one that said today, because 9th of January, you're probably not watching it today. I'm recording it, but yeah, because it might still be uploading, but be aware of that. If you cannot find it, no need to worry. It's fine, so. What's the point of getting them? You're like never unlocking. 48 more to go. What's the time? 7:45. I need to finish by 8, but I need to do 3D version of school days. Basically in real life. Hardcore. I accidentally yesterday screamed for no reason. So everyone just staring at me and teachers told me. For now, right. We might do this for another 3 or 4 minutes, maybe even 5 if you would like it. We'll get up to maybe 8, 9, 10 minutes. So yeah, I'll just keep on going. If you like, this is a recommend. If you like it, go #yes in the comments. If you don't like it, say #no in the comments. But I would like to, if you want, do games shorter, but add another, do 2 games, but do it short, or do you want to stick with 1 game and do it long? That's something. If you want to do it, #yes. If you don't want to do it, #no in the comments below. Because I'll always be checking them. Maybe it might be 7 hours later. Maybe my next episode will be 10th of January. If you're watching this on this day I made it, Minecraft story mode I made straight after before this video. It looked like a distance, but I edited it. Not really edited it. If you don't like editing, tell me not to edit it. If you do like it, tell me to do editing, because I didn't really edit it, but I just done a little bit of some fame and popularity in the actual not classic Minecraft story mode. So let's get back into things. I just until you comment, I'll stop editing, but for now I'm gonna keep on editing. Whichever one has the most views and most likes on that, whichever most comments that says yes, or that has most thumbs up, I'll choose. Or basically no or yes, that's what I meant, but yeah. If it's 50-50, I'll do a little bit of editing. Or I could do, if you like, edit one video and then not edit the other one at all. Or would you like me to edit it a little bit then, if it's 50-50? I'll have a think about it. Yeah. I think editing will make some more fame and keep you watching, so I keep on getting viewers. But so far, I'm going to do a like spike in 3, 2, 1, like spike. You don't know what that is, just like the video right now. And if you haven't already, you probably have, subscribe for more popular videos like this. And you can start commenting and telling me what games I should play. Has to be for free because I'm not doing it on another console. I do have a PS4 and I do have FIFA 18 on it. If he wants me to, I can try, but my PS4 doesn't have good Wi-Fi, so I can't really do much to YouTube. And if you don't have it, you see the lineups. It's a nice feature on the Premier League one and the La Liga one. It's different to the Premier League, but it's similar as well. I'm gonna do one more. When I die, I'm gonna end the video. Not like die as die in real life in the game. I'm not gonna finish it when I die. I'm just gonna buy this. No. Oh. I don't know. Do you want me to buy the special boost or give my money so I could buy the robot thing afterwards? Tell me in the comments. I want to get lots of comments in there. Like, I want to do everything for you. If I do things for you, now so I can do things what you want me to do, and you can do things I want you to do, which is like and subscribe and comment down below. And turn those push notifications. If you don't know what that is, when you press the subscribe button, they'll have a little bell next to it, and when it has like sparks next to it, then don't click it anymore. Because you've turned on the post notification. That basically means you won't miss any of my live streams. I'm not going to be doing live streams yet, but be aware I am going to be doing those in the future. Might not be a long time, maybe a couple of weeks, maybe a month or 2. But surely you don't want to miss my first level one. That'll probably be the best one. And keep on missing the little like statues things. If it is, Happy New Year to all of you out there watching. I hope you enjoyed your New Year's Eve and Christmas. Tell me down below what you got for Christmas and hasn't been your New Year's Eve yet in other countries right now. I wish you a happy New Year's Eve when it comes up to you. But hope you got some cool stuff. I've heard some from my schoolmates. I got pretty good stuff. Maybe some PS4s. No, I just ran in stuck. I moved it, but it didn't let me, and I slid it down to the ground. But for now, that's going to be the end of the video. It seems like actually it was the same amount as last time, maybe 1 minute shorter, but I hope you do enjoy it. If you need to do long Subway Surfers videos, just comment it down below. But you're going to have to like and subscribe and turn those post notifications. If you just didn't hear it again, just tell you. When you press the subscribe button, there's a bell next to it when there's sparks next to it. Once you click it, it will have sparks next to it, and then that means you've turned post notifications on. That means you'll never miss a live stream or a vlog of me. And also, you're not gonna, if you actually press the actual subscribe button, you're not gonna miss a video of me. And then a like, that means you enjoyed it. Please don't dislike, otherwise you're going to be a hater to my channel. If you don't like it and you really want to dislike, then just don't watch my channel. You're not the person for me then. If you want to join the team times 110, which is basically team 10, but the other version 2 times, please turn on the subscribe button and the like button, because I would really appreciate it. And I can maybe do some vlogs if you start. My goal is to reach once I reach 130 subscribers, I will start pumping out vlogs. I'm just joking. I just want to know how much is watching. If I reach 10 subscribers in this video, I would certainly